your sales career, you probably discovered how to include motivation maintenance into your everyday routines. It's a piece of cake to maintain your enthusiasm when everything is rosy and peachy. But when challenges in the boardroom arise, it can become increasingly difficult to stay motivated and continue progressing with your sales process. The best thing you can do, besides constantly developing your selling skills and techniques, is to work on your skills that boost and maintain your sales enthusiasm. It is such an important skill to have because it is your driving force that strengthens your will to succeed no matter what. Remember, the greatest feeling of success comes from conquering great struggles and overcoming tough situations created by your customers. When you have a lot of obstacles to overcome on your way to the finish line, you will feel a tenfold increase in pride and satisfaction when you achieve your success and move the deal closer to the finish line. After all, your sales success will be oh so much sweeter. So, when times are tough, use these strategies to help you maintain your enthusiasm so you can stay strong and focused on your way to greatness. Here is what you need to do today to increase your sales resiliency. There is some aspect of your business life or personal life where your sales enthusiasm is flagging. Ask yourself, where is it? And then run through the process in these lessons and apply it to that challenging part of your life. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Send us your comments and please visit our website NorthAmericanSalesTraining.com to learn more on how with our training modules you can develop mental toughness and resilience so crucial for success in sales today. This is Alen, your sales resiliency expert, and please remember, resilient salespeople sell more.